What is the work of a business-minded person? What is the actual work? When Tirupat came to my house, what did he do for me?
Solve the problem.
Yeah.
He solved a problem in my life.
Yeah.
Of course, he solved the problem which I knew about. That is that I wanted a tube light in my room. But he also solved a problem which I didn't know about, but it was causing a problem in my life. So he solved a problem for me. Anybody who has the power to find problems and solve them, or anybody who believes that they are powerful enough to find problems and solve them, in my mind is a business-minded person. Doesn't matter if they are working for an organization or they are working for themselves. Anybody who owns their own company or their own business but does not seek to solve problems, to me, they are a job. It does not matter. The ownership of the business does not matter in my mind, and I know in Yusuf's mind also. So you could be owning your own business, but if you have a narrow mind and you just go do something and come back, you're not in my mind, it's not business minded. Sundar Pichai does not just do what is supposed to be done. He takes decisions about what should be done. How can they serve customers better? How can they, create better relationships? How can they do more things? That's why I think he's a businessman, not just an employee. That y'all are talking only because of how much money he earns. That Tirupat who came to my house is a businessman. My driver Tushar, today I sent him to buy an extension cord. He went to the market, he found 3 different extension cords, sent me photographs of all 3. I didn't answer, I didn't even see it. He chose one and he came. And then he told me, Bhaiya, this is little more expensive, but I bought this. Iska quality ऐसा है, उस वाले का quality ऐसा है. इसलिए मैंने decision लेके ये ले लिया. आपको अगर ठीक लगा तो ठीक है, नहीं तो मैंने बात किया उसके पास जाके I'll change it and come back. He is solving a problem in my life. He is not just standing there and waiting for me to say गाड़ी निकालो चलो जाके आएंगे. He is not only waiting for instructions. He is not only doing what he is supposed to do. He knows somebody. He has a relationship with somebody. He looks at it as a relationship and he is solving some problems. My MSCB bill came to some 24,000 rupees. There's some MSCB ka locha. I went 3 times. He's gone to the MSCB office. 5 times he followed up with me. भैया आप online जाके check करो. इसका क्या है? ऐसे है. मैंने ऐसे पता लगाया. 4 times he made a phone call to them. We call him a chauffeur, but he's solving my problems. The way I see it, he's business minded. If he chooses to, he can grow in multiple ways. Everybody who's a part of the enterprise team is business minded. Their work is not to just take one task and do it, but their work is to see how can we serve our audience better.